blow a bag today, don't care about nothing, just wanna get paid. I blow a bag today, let shawty is thick, but I just want the brain.
So we got us some damn stuff. Lexus made the Rotel, as you can see. We got a little sneak peek of the Rotel Lexus made. Look at that. Let's get a taste of that. Let's get a taste and see. Let's get a taste. Got my spoon. You can see. Let me try it. Oh yeah. That's it, Leslie. 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 That's the one right there. Last time she made it, she knows she fucked up. But this time, that be good. Oh man, your boy right here got the chicken. Go put it on the grill, but if you wanna know how to make your chicken real good, put it in the oven first before you put it in the grill. Then be sipping on a little of that. I said that shit good. Real tough. I just tried it. You did a good job that time. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll hit y'all up when we get outside. Alright, yeah, we out here. About to goddamn cook up something good. We got the chicken. We got the sauce for the chicken. And we got the Rotel.
And then we got some stuff in the book bag. And stuff like that.
So yeah. We out here. Waiting for her neighbors to come.
No, you mean our neighbors is different.
You been living here longer, so it's your neighbor.
Well, technically, hey.
Yeah, they put the bottom doors. You gotta turn it fast. Make a lighter watch. This one broke.
I feel the heat coming from it.
What, this?
Yeah, like right here.
I can smell the gas on. I just cut the gas on.
The pool.
Whack ass pool.
If you're ready.
This one got on, look. This one got on. You got on the tripping, look. Look. I guess this one. Look. This one cut on.
Alright then.
You on that tripping. So I've been tripping on it.
I would have put the chicken on that aluminum foil. They probably. I hope they got some. Yeah. Oh shit, they got a bathroom in there.
Yeah, like I said, it's your boy Grill Boy Shay.
He got a different name every day.
I cook up something nice on there, girl, if you let me. I'm gonna pour this juice out of it. Yeah, you let me know if I pour that shit.
Put that shit right there.
Huh?
Put that shit right there, over there.
Pants go. And they probably like, yeah, he could beat me in the game. He can't beat me on the grill.
Right now, nigga, we figure that shit out. Oh, see, now it's heating up now. Look.
Yeah, I just cut it off though. See? There's no flame on it. I turned the bottom off. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I turned the bottom off. You gotta put it on for how long? This is like Firematic. It's called Firematic because you put the timer on the propane because it's a propane tank. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
So you turn the propane off for how long you want it on, and then it's gonna cut off. You feel me?
That boy right there know he a professional.
Cooking.
That boy know he a professional.
Cooking real good.
He a what? He a fucking professional.
Look at it. I'm cooking good. Let that thing simmer some more.
Yep.
Tell them to bring some napkin. Oh, they got the fire pit. I tell them.
You know what? That's a good damn question. You gotta light a fire? You gotta like throw a flame at it or something?
No, man.
Yeah,
You think so?
I think.
No, there's like a miles in there.
That right there. What's your list?
Probably.
Probably.
How you guys doing?
Hello.
Man? It's a good day to grill, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait, put your stuff over?
Let me grab my stuff.
Oh, gosh.
Put it on for like 15, I think. Put it on 30 minutes.
How they say? Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. B-A-S-C, something, something, angel, in something song. Forget no.
You got my cup. You want your cup?
It,
Huh?
oh, dang.
You good?
Yeah. Well, go ahead and say your final goodbyes for right now.
Oh, yeah. Y'all, we out for right now. Stay tuned. Let y'all know when my peoples get here with the, they said they got burgers and hot dogs. We'll let y'all know, see the afterworks. All right, stay tuned.
Bitch, I'm in my motherfucking bag, ho. Don't ask me just to pet me, cause you can, ho. Red lock rapper with a certified doctor.
Put this under y'all, and then flip it this way.
All my cigarette next. It's really hot. All right, ready? Put the aluminum foil on there.
Wait.
I got it. Put the aluminum foil on there.
But you're gonna flip it this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah, you can bring it back. You ain't even put the aluminum foil on there already.
Oh, hold on. Watch out.
You about to burn yourself just like me.
That foil is cheap as hell. I'm not buying that shit no more.
What it is? Name brand one everybody use.
It's hot.
Ooh, I know it's hot. Y'all look good. Oh, my shirt.
See, and that's what I'm trying to do with that. Just put a dry one on there.
Yeah. Like I said, though, we out here. Introduce yourself to the cam.
They still ain't gonna be able to see. It's still dark.
Like, it's dark as hell.
But if you don't.
Look at my phone. Where my boy goes? Oh, my boy, he said he was fucking with us. Like I say, though. All right, y'all. Introduce yourself to the cam.
Yo, what's up? It's Chevy, boy.
I'm Wes.
All right, yeah, we out here in the grill. You see what we cooking. My boy got them burgers cooking.
Oh, yeah. We got a...
I got the chicken cooking. She helping me goddamn refoil that mug.
Cause he done fuck up.
Oh, I ain't fuck up.
There's no more foil, baby?
I ain't oil left for you. That's why oven cook that bit first. Cause I know that on them grills, not all grills cook the same. But yeah, we out here trying to get something going on. My boy over here, I thought he gonna cook his shit.
He was like, yeah, I can't fuck with y'all too.
Alright, stay tuned. We'll let y'all see when that shit done. We out. Yeah, we did this, man. We about to eat right now. How to show them the final work. Tell them, Lexus. 2 or 3 shots.